Well, there I am. Conker the king. King of all the land. Who'd have thought that? But how did I come to this, I hear you say? And who are those strange fellows that surround my throne? I hear you also say. Well, it's a long story. Come closer, and I'll tell you. It all started yesterday. What a day that was. It's what I call a bad fur day.
Hi, you've reached, Barry's place. I'm not available to answer the phone, obviously. However, if you leave your, name and number and you sound cute, I may ring you back. Ciao.
Hi, Barry. Hello? Barry, if you're there, pick up. Hello? Oh, anyway, look.
I'm gonna be a bit late. Well, met up with a couple of the guys and they're off tomorrow to some, I don't know, fight some war somewhere. Anyway,
I'll see ya. Love you.
I think she bought it. Conker, put the phone down. Oh, right. Who's round with it? Yours. What, again? Okay. Can someone lend me a $5? I don't feel so good now. You guys enjoy yourself and all that, and I'll probably see you sometime next week. I gotta go home. I'll go this way. Oh, no, that's the toilets. Go this way. Yeah, that's better. Too good tonight. Ooh, hang on a sec. Sorry about that, old chap. Can't quite make it out. Anyway, it seems pretty familiar to me.
Come on, quick. Go ahead, be quiet. Be quiet.
What's that? This way, I suppose.
Milk, sire?
Oh. Oh no. It's gonna be one of those days. I don't feel so good. Oh, hello. Can you help me? I need to get home and go to bed because I don't feel very well at all. Oh, so you can't help me at all?
Actually, yes, I can. Maybe.
Okay. What's your name?
Beardy.
Beardy? You haven't got a beard.
No. Beardy. I scare birdies.
Okay, Beardy. So can you help me?
Right. Let's step over here.
I got a head like a badger's ass.
You see those buttons? Actually, you'll find that they're context sensitive. And, well, actually, press B.
Press B.
Oh, yeah. The light comes on. And it makes a nice ting. Right, a ting noise. Nice ting. No, ting. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll press B. Ooh.
I don't know if I do.
So, what does that mean?
It means contact sensitive. It's sensitive to contacts. Try it over there.
Okay.
Or you could say it again.
Nice eating.
Don't know if I do. Very, very much. I'm gonna go to bed now. Hey.
Oh, that's the last time I drink a drop. Food. Oh, just what I needed. In fact, it would seem to me that these give me just what I need at that moment in time. Oh, I see what he needs. Context sensitive. Clever. Oh, and I feel loads better. Right, let's get out of here.
Oh, and by the way, if for whatever reason you want to skip all these wonderful cutscenes, just pull the last trigger. But you will have to have watched them at least once. Oh, you can't seem to get any further. Sure, there's something. Ah, yeah. Now I know. Pull the right trigger down, and I should crouch. Oh yeah. Press A A to jump extra high. Then press A again to do that funny helicopter tail thing. And that makes me hover. I should easily get across that gap now. Are you sure you got that?
Who's this guy?
If you think you're coming this way, you can think again.
Oh, you're a real charm. I just want to get past, please.
No, I don't think so. I've only just got comfy. Have you ever sat on a piece of Gothic architecture for 200 years? Gets right up your arse, you know. Thought it was about time to move on to a bridge, say. And I'm not moving now.
Isn't it a little bit early in the day to start talking about Gothic architecture?
Well, if you care to come a bit closer, we can discuss things of another nature.
Hang on a second. This is really no good at all. I need a weapon. That should do it. Eeny, meeny, miny. Mo. Frying pan. Weapons? Cool. Okay, here's the score. Press the B button to equip and put away. Then, once equipped, pull the right trigger to swipe. Are you sure you... Oh, just great. I thought the designer said this was just a straight port. What a hack. Now, which one was it?
Wasn't he meant to fall off here? Hey, weren't you meant to fall off here?
Yes. But the designer thought it wise to change the train level a bit. To fool the audience into thinking that the rest of the game would also be different. I'm afraid you'll have to try something else.
Well, lucky I brought this as well in.
Ouch.
We missed the designer. No more surprises.
Plunger with dynamite. I think I know what's gonna happen now. Yep, fantastic. Let's go and get some shut-eye. Finally.
What is like? What is like? Like a good entrance? Is this got to be important?
Professor, welcome. I have a job for you. As you can see, the table.
The table, yes. So, you spilled the milk again. Oh, that's not good, not good. Let me have a look at it for you. Yes, I think I see the problem. I will see what I can do. Just give me a moment, though. I'll come back later.
Don't be too low.
I will be as quick as I can, sir.
Because we know what happened last time.
Only too well, only too well. I'll go now.
I don't want to have to get the duct tape out again.
Yes. Wait, no. I don't want you to get the duct tape out again. Goodbye. Goodbye. Duct tape? I'll get him a duct tape. I'll come down here, I'll show him what the duct tape is, I'll show him where to stuff it. Stupid. All I do all day is trying to sort his stupid problems out of it. Anyway, so what were we? The milk, the table. What shall I do? What shall I do with this? Clean slate. Yeah, clean slate. I have to grab the chocolate, so it's kind of working. That's voodoo. At the whatever that. Delicious.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, some wise guy's trying to steal our nice new hide.
Come on, boss. Let's go get him.
Yeah, let's get him.
I'm coming for you.
I'm gonna sting your butt.
Come here, you shorty. Why you?
I'll get him, boss.
Keep still.
I'm coming for you.
Why you?
Keep still.
I'll get him, boss.
Come here, you shorty.
I'm gonna sting your butt.
Eat that, mother buzzer.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Squirrel. And none of this would have happened if it weren't for that no-good husband of mine. He's gone off, you know, with another woman.
Oh, really? That doesn't surprise me.
What?
Nothing.
Anyway, as a reward for your good service to the bee community, I present you with this.
Somebody call for me. Who wants some of the dough? Yeah, cash prizes.
Conker! Yes, you, boy. You're dead. You are dead. Dead as a dodo. Deader than
I can't be asked for this bloody ridiculous contraption. Whose idea was this anyway? Right. Hello. My name's Greg, the Grim Reaper. Don't laugh.
Aren't you a little shot to be a Grim Reaper?
Well, how many Grim Reapers have you met before, mate? What am I supposed to look like?
Yeah, that's a good point. Well made.
Now, let's see. Ah, yes. Conker. Surname?
The Squirrel.
The Squirrel. The... Oh, bloody hell, you would have to be a sodding squirrel, wouldn't you?
Why, is there a problem with that?
Well, yes, there is, actually. It's like those bloody cats are such a pain in the ass. You're one of these special cases.
Oh, really?
Yes, apparently, according to the powers that be, I'm just doing my job. I do what I'm told. I don't even get paid very much. Apparently, squirrels can have as many lives as they think they can get away with.
Oh, I see. So I'm not dead.
You're dead, but not quite.
Right. Well, I'll be off then.
Just you wait, smart ass. You don't get out of it that easily. Now, the thing is, you may not be dead,
but that doesn't mean you can't die. You just have a few more, shall we say, chances. Yeah. Like cats. I hate those things. Right. Distributed around your little world are these tail things. Squirrel's tails. If you can get them, I'll give you an extra chance. Understand?
Well, sounds a bit strange, but okay.
Strange? It's the best bloody deal you're going to get, you little prick. Right, that's it. Piss off. I've got some cats to see. Bloody things. I hate those bloody cats. The way they meow and they piss everywhere. And their shit smells just bloody awful. All over my furniture.
Hardly. Who's this?
It's like one of them squirrels.
How come you go down there kicking the out of him?
Nah, we'll wait till he comes up here, alright?
Okay then, yeah.
Hey, don't do that.
It's me again, Mr. Scarecrow Birdie. Right, what seems to be the problem? Oh yes, you need manual. Otherwise, doesn't work. Money, it cost you.
Oh, how much?
Gonna need Pepsi Box.
What?
Don't matter. Actually, I think, $10. Long time. You'd have manual long time.
There you go.
There you go. Manual. Just press B.
Get me out of here! Hey, you! Come here! Come on! I want to go back in there! Hurry up! Okay, suits me. Cash. Seems to be an instruction book. Oh, I see. It's for the more complex stuff. It'll appear the first time you use a more complex zone. And if you need it again, pull the left trigger and press B at the same time. To skip it, just press B. The catapult. Let's see. Use the right thumbstick to aim, and then the right trigger to fire. That seems simple enough. Hey, what's that? Let's see. That way or that way? That way smells a bit hooey. Let me see.
So, what is the key elements in this experimentation? We have stable, yeah? The milk in the glass broken. I see problem. Oh, and the seems to be a, seems to be a, I must do some experiments, I think. Yeah. And we will sort this out. And then, my lord, we will see who uses the duct tape.
Get that mouse away from me! No whistles!
Holy jeez! I think you need to see a doctor.
Get that mouse away from me!
I say, little fella, you better get this fat-ass bitch off of my back pronto.
Gee, so many people around here want me to solve their problems. What are you gonna do for me then?
I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I tell you what I'm gonna do. You get rid of that freaking mouse critter, and maybe I'll help you out. Just maybe. Oh, just one more thing. I say, just one more thing. You make one into my friend, Bird. Just mention my name, Jack, and everything will be just dandy.
Get that mouse away! Get him away from me!
Hi, you must be Bert.
I'm Bert.
Jack sent me.
I'm opening the gate for you here, and you can get on with whatever that you're trying to do.
That's all you do? Great.
No whistles! That was nice! Ooh, I'd like another though, if that's okay. Get that mouse away from me!
Hey, hold still.
Marvelous! One more should just about do it.
I couldn't have lasted a moment longer there. Thank you very much, Mr. Squirrel. Now, there's something real neat inside that barn. You just gotta get in there, Sonny.
What about me? Hey! Hey, what about me? Hey!